Food Processing NS2 Progress Portfolio Prof. Eduk 10 Final Examination. The portfolio contains training needs analysis, 10A form, training plan, list of tools, materials, equipment, and facilities, trainees record book, trainees progress sheet, training session evaluation form, interpretation and analysis of program evaluation, narrative report, learning gained from the course.
About food processing. This is the respondent profile summary of learner characteristics. Average grade in English. 10% of them answer 95 to above. 60% of them answer 90 to 94. 30% of them answer 85 to 89. 0% of them answer 80 to 84, 75 to 79. Average grade in math. 10% of them answer 95 to 100. 40% answer of them 90 to 94. 60% of them answer 85 to 89. And 0% of them answer 80 to 84 and 75 to 79. These represent the respondent profile summary of learner characteristics in average grade in English and average grade in math. The respondent profile summary of learner characteristics. Sex distribution. 10% of them are male. 90% of them are female. Cultural background. Others 100% or none. In this pie graph, the respondent's profile summary of learner characteristics of sex distribution, cultural background are represented in this. In respondent profile summary of learner characteristics, in educational attainment, 100% of them answer college level. 60% of them answer visual. 30% of them answer auditory. 10% of them are kinesthetic. 0% of them are curious. 0% of them are pragmatist. And 0% of them are activist. The educational attainment, all of the respondents answer college level. And in the learning style distribution, the respondents, most of them answer visual, which is 60%, and auditory 30%, and kinesthetic 10%. And others are 0%. In the respondent profile summary of learner characteristics, 100% of them answer financially challenged. Solo parent is 0%. Working student is 0%. So the respondent answer 100% in financially challenged. For the survey results tabulated for basic competencies, 5% of them answer no. 90% of them answer yes. For the total of the questions of 120. For common competencies, 24% of them answer no, and 206% of them answer yes, for the total of 230 questions. For survey results tabulated for core competencies, 206 of the respondents answer yes, 54 of the respondents answer no, out of 206 questions. Analysis and discussion conclusion recommendation. Data gathering results based on the survey. Most respondents had an average grade of 90 to 94 or 85 to 89 or in English, and 90 to 94 or 85 to 89 in math. This means that the group has a good academic background and basic literacy and numeracy. In terms of culture, and respondents identified under the others category for educational attainment are all at the college level, showing that the group has reached higher education. For sex distribution, there were more females 9 than males. The ages range from 20 to 28 years old, which shows that the most of them are young adults. For the analysis and discussion, conclusion, recommendation, all respondents reported no physical disability and no previous learning experiences. When it comes to learning style, that the most common were visual and kinesthetic, followed by the auditory. This means that the most learners prefer to learn visual diagrams or by doing activities. Only a few were auditory or curious learners. For other needs, 4 respondents said they are financially challenged and 1 is working student, while the rest did not report other needs. This showed that some learners may need extra support to continue their study or learning. For the analysis and discussion, conclusion, recommendation, training needs analysis, TNA. This training needs analysis was used to check the respondents' skills in basic, common, and core competencies. Under food processing, NS2, basic competencies out of 120 possible answers, there were 115 yes and 96% and 5% no. 4%, this means trainees are already good in workplace communication, teamwork, professionalism, and safety. Only a few skills need to improve. In food processing and S2. For analysis and discussion, conclusion, recommendation, common competencies out of 230 possible answers, there were 206 yes, 90% and 24 no. 10%, this shows that the most respondents are competent in industry. Knowledge to enhance trainees' common competencies in food processing and S2. It is crucial to implement strategies that ensures effective teamwork, promote adherence to workplace safety procedure, foster the different use of resources, and encourage the maintenance of clean and organized work environment. For the analysis and discussion, conclusion, recommendation, core competencies out of 206 possible answers, there were 200 yes, 79% and 54 no, 21%. This is where the biggest training gap appears. Respondents still need more practices and see in the box. There are trainees training requirements, training activity, tasks, mode of training, staff, facilities, tools and equipments, venue, assessment method, date and time. That includes in the box for each row. It represents the answers and the results of the respondents in each box. For the basic competency, common competency, and core competency.
This narrative report reflects on the learnings from a course focused on technical vocational education and training in food processing NS2. Key takeaways include understanding the importance of a structured approach to training through conducting training needs analysis (TNA), developing targeted training plans, and identifying necessary resources. The course also emphasizes tracking trainee progress, evaluating training session effectiveness, and analyzing program evaluations for continuous improvement. Overall, it is instilled a deep appreciation for well-designed training programs and equip the author with the skills to contribute to workforce development in the food processing industry. That's all. Thank you for watching and listening.